Let's see how it looks. It looks good so far. I mean, I'm still learning. But, yep, it's coming along. These are boxwoods. Got them at Lowe's. They were for like, I would think, 9 something each. So I got 10 of them. Hopefully they'll grow out. There's my other bed here, small one. But I think the rabbit or something is coming in here and eating them, so I had to put a little fence. And over here the deers are eating. I had these for about 5 years. And our knockout roses. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But what I did was I was taking a lot of these rocks and putting them over here next to the boxwood. So I did it on both sides. I kind of like it. It looks nice. Nice little front curb appeal. What do you think? Let's take a fast walk. Show you around. There's our little bird bath. We got a parrot. I gotta fix this up too. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but we'll fix it up. And this is a little cart. I don't know if you you know the garden beds that they sell at Home Depot? This is that. If you look at it, I made it into a wagon. I had the wheels, the front wheels, but not the backs. I had to make it out of wood, but I think it looked pretty good. And these are roses. And a little angel hanging on the branch there. But it's coming along. Slowly but surely it's coming along. I just laid all these stones recently. These little slab pieces. We didn't have a front walkway. Well, we do now. I like it. Looks good. Alright, so this is where I'm going to lay down the rocks. In the middle, the circle there with all little plants coming up, the seeds. That's called mixed wildflower. We just threw it in there until we figure out what we're gonna do in here. But we got some annuals, and I forgot the name of those plants. They're perennials. I have to get back to that. But this is what I plan on doing. So I put all the little fabric in there, and I'm just gonna throw the rocks in there all around. I mean, I have a lot of rocks, so I might as well just use it. That wasn't so bad. I made it all around. I'm just gonna pack it in now. With my feet, walk around it. My little deer sensor. Anything that walks by here works. Starts barking. So far it's working. Let me get these weeds out. I came in here for something, but I forgot what I was coming in here for. Oh man. Oh. Got it. The dirt is still moist. That's good. There goes my little buddy Chippy. Come on, Chippy, I got a peanut here for you. Come on. There you go. Thanks for sticking around, guys, and see you on my next video. And have a great day. Take care.